will be hot over here. Right by this window.
With the foam wrap, did you also use gel or just?
This is just foam wrap right here. And hold it. And just kind of take the back of this comb and smooth it. See?
This way.
Okay. So hold your comb right here and take and push a little section of that hair back. Push up, push. Take a comb through it again. Put the comb back like right here where you want the ridge to start at. Okay, and do it. Don't know how to. Once they finish one ridge, they get confused about how to start the second
How to
ridge.
connect them?
Yeah.
And that's what I used to always get confused.
So turn that comb over, hold it here. You want to push up, hold it, comb through.
Wipe softly, P.
You create a little ridge right there. Then you want to start on the opposite side, because mind you, making C's.
Right.
You want to start here, push up, hold,
Wait a
and
minute.
comb through.
Wait.
And then you want to just, I mean, these not the prettiest, but it's the concept that you're trying to get. You get what I'm saying? I think a lot of time people, you get confused on what side to start on.
And where to continue.
So mind you, I start to see on this side, so now I'm gonna go in right here on this side.
So would it be the same concept if you're left-handed?
Yeah, it'll be the same concept. I'm gonna finish it on this side. You got to make sure you comb through the hair. You got to.
I can tell you wiping hard from here.
Yeah, this time I did.
So you see how you kind of go from side to side?
I think I want to try it.
So yeah, y'all can just comb.
I'm
comb through
confused.
that. You got a little ridge right there. Flip it over and smooth. And comb through. Hold that one right there, comb through.
How to do, but I haven't done it in so long, so I don't even know.
My finger in your way.
Oh, I'm not saying. Comb through.
See, she going diagonal now. She did it this way. Now she going
Oh, she's showing a different.
at a different angle.
You see the ridges don't be as high with the comb.
Yeah.
As it is with your finger. Okay.
So some people like it high and some people don't.
That's why I say it's kind of depending on the style that they're going for. And sometimes you have to lift the hair up, make sure it ain't gelled all the way down to the head so you can move it freely. Ooh, I ain't wearing no makeup in so long, y'all.
It's still great that you can teach the concept though, because
Yeah, because that's where a lot of people, and like I said, that's really what it's about, is getting the concept and then, you know, exercising and learning different techniques and stuff once you leave here.
Me, I just have to remember to go the other way.
Yeah, me too.
Because I get so caught up being
Continuous.
a lefty. I get so caught up, so I gotta remember to go the opposite way to start off.
a little small step, pretty much.
So what
Yeah.
would happen to this gap right here?
tied.
I
I
was
was
gonna
gonna get two
This
transfers,
gap
but I'm about to
right
get
here.
The
flexible.
hair just ain't coming all the way through good.
Oh, okay.
And it's just how the hair coming out the mannequin scalp, really.
Okay.
Because sometimes you run into that people who got, whirls and stuff like that in their hair. And their hair tend to stand up when you come in another direction.
Yeah.
That's why it's like best to kind of, wet the hair down and comb it at its natural fall. And then, go in and wave because it's just easier. You ain't got to fight with the hair.
Right, yeah.
Especially when it's long.